Good morning, everyone. We are from Universitas Tudor, and today we'd like to present our research, Strengthening Brand Community in the Digital Era, and 5C analysis of the XYZ YouTube channel. This study focuses on how XYZ, an educational YouTube channel, develops and strengthens its brand community in today's rapidly changing digital environment. On the background, XYZ grew as an educational channel known for its creative motion graphic content, which eventually attracted Tempo Media to it under its group. However, XYZ still faces several challenges. So its business model is B2B, but customer loyalty remains unclear, and the community identity is still developing, and global expansion is only a discourse. Moreover, global economic changes and the post-pandemic situation have also affected demand. Therefore, we conducted a situational analysis using the 5C and SWOT frameworks to understand XYZ's internal and external conditions. So, the main question of this research is, how does the 5C situational analysis apply to XYZ brand's community development strategy? And what are the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of the XYZ brand community? The practical benefit is to provide insights for XYZ in formulating in its community strategy, while the academic benefit is to serve as a reference for future studies on brand communities, particularly in the media industry. Okay. According to Muniz and O'Quinn, 2001, a brand community has three key characteristics. First is shared consciousness, second is ritual and traditions, and third is moral responsibility. McAlexander et al. Explained that brand communities connect brands, products, customers, and marketeers. And Gomoris et al. Add that engagement in communities provides economic, social, and entertainment benefits. To analyze this situation, we use the 5C frameworks that are climate, company, customer, collaborator, and competitor, along with SWOT analysis to assess strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. So this is the research framework. And then for the methodology, this study uses a descriptive qualitative method. We collected primary data through observation with the XYZ community team and audience, and secondary data such as company portfolios, meeting minutes, news, and statistical data. The data were analyzed through three stages: data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing with verification. We must know the company first. XYZ operates under PT Rombak Pola Pikir, a subsidiary of Tempe Tempo Intimedia Terbuka. By 2021, it had reached over 4 million subscribers and more than 600 videos. The XYZ community is social media based and focuses on value exchange, especially through educational dialogue. The community emphasizes rational, logical, and science-oriented discussion, reflecting the brand intellectual identity. Okay, now we go to the first analysis of 5C, that is climate analysis. Starting with climate, we analyze with six pastel aspects. Politically, Indonesia continues its digitalization in education, while young generations are increasingly interested in political issues. For the economically, global condition influence the YouTube advertising market. And for the socially and technologically aspect, audience behavior changes quickly, supported by the rapid development of devices and media access. And the environmentally aspect, awareness of sustainability and ESG is rising. And last, legally aspect, there are risks related to copyright and privacy. And then moving to company, XYZ targets large institutions that share similar education values, such as ministries or multinational companies. Its positioning is as an educational platform that communicates complex knowledge in a simple, engaging, and entertaining way. Promotion mainly relies on internal social media and soft-selling content. The next 5C analysis component is collaborator analysis. The collaborator aspect identifies two roles, that are leads, those who connect XYZ to new partners, for example, Mount Ayunda, and Army, those who support the execution of its activities. For example, the X-intern. The challenge is maintaining brand alignment and expanding collaboration internationally. For customers, XYZ's customer journey remains passive. Clients usually come on their own initiative. Now, this is the um, customer journey or client journey of XYZ company. And lastly, the competitors. XYZ emphasizes collaboration rather than competition. So, this using a Pavlovian approach. However, the biggest threat actually comes from substitutes products, not the direct competitors. Because the direct competitors can be their collaborator. After we analyze the 5C strategy, 5C analysis, then we can um, we can compile it into the SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis shows that XYZ's strength lies in its strong brand image and credibility. The weakness include passive promotion and limited customer engagement. The opportunities come from global trends such as technological advance and public demand for educational content. And meanwhile, threats involve legal risk, market substitution, and bargaining power from supplier and buyers. In conclusion, XYZ needs to strengthen its promotional strategy, optimize its national reach before going global, and utilize collaborators more strategically. Based on our analysis, we recommend that XYZ expand its community platform, such as Discord, Telegram, or WhatsApp, to enhance engagement. The company should also adopt a more active outreach strategy to approach potential clients, and the collaborators can play a larger role as media partners to support promotions. And for the future research can apply a weighted SWOT to determine strategic priorities for more precisely. That's all for our presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.